these are the statement of this question. Length 77 centimeter, outer diameter 4.4 centimeter. So we will find out outer radius, that is we will divide this 4.4 by 2 and we will get 2.2 centimeter. In the same way inner diameter is 4 centimeter, इसको भी हम 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 4 by 2 that is 2 centimeter. Now our first part is we have to find out inner curved surface area. We will write here inner curved surface area. So formula for finding curved surface area is 2 pi r h. So you can write here for outer radius capital R, for inner radius small r. So for finding inner curved surface area, we will use this one r, small r. So put the values 2 into 22 by 7 into what is r here, 2, and what is h, that is 77, and you can cancel it. 77 को 7 से divide करेंगे, and when you will solve all these terms, what you will get 968 centimeter square. After that, we will find out outer curved surface area. Now, we will use outer radius 2 pi, and here I will write capital R because I am finding outer curved surface area. So 2 into 22 by 7 into what is R, 2.2, and what is H, 77. In the same way you can divide, and when you will solve it, what you will get 1064.80 centimeter square. So two parts we have done. First part inner curved surface area, second part outer curved surface area. Till now no problem because we are having inner radius as well as outer radius. Both radius we are having, so we can find out the surface area. But what is the third part? Total surface area. Before finding the total surface area, we will find out the upper area or upper ring area and lower ring area. That means I have already shown that this one area, upper ring area, and this lower ring area. So how we can find out? These are two circles. I am again showing you, this is outer circle and this is inner circle. If we take the area of outer circle minus inner circle, so what will left? Only this one ring area. So we are finding for the third part, firstly, area of upper ring. You can write here, and for that you will use formula pi r square minus pi r square. Means outer circle area में से inner circle area को हम minus कर रहे हैं. Pi को common ले सकते हैं. What is left behind? R square minus R square. So put the values 22 by 7 into R square 2.2 square minus small r 2 square. Now I am using the formula here r square, a square minus b square. I am writing it here, a square minus b square equals to a minus b and a plus b. So I can write here 2.2 plus 2 and 2.2 minus 2. So what you are getting from here, when you will add this is 4.2 and this is only 0.2. You can cut it and you will get here 0.6, and when you will solve this multiply, what you will get 2.64 centimeter squares. In the same way, area of lower ring, डायमेंशन सेम है तो एरिया ऑफ लोअर रिंग भी वही रहेगा जो अपर रिंग का आपको मिला है, दैट इज 2.64 centimeter square. Now you can write here total surface area तक जो भी एरिया हमने फाइंड आउट किया है, इनर प्लस आउटर, देन अपर रिंग एरिया एंड देन लोअर रिंग एरिया, इन सभी को हम प्लस कर देंगे. 968 plus 1064.80 plus 2.64 and plus 2.64. When you will add all these, what you will get? 2038.08 centimeter square.